Oh, hey guys.
What's up?
What's going on out in the shop today?
Well, today we got Don Donaldson's 07 GT500. We just finished up a head unit swap yesterday with some FIC 1000s. Putting this JLT back on. We did a drive shaft shop, one-piece drive shaft, and one-piece drive shaft. And right now we're installing some Cooks, long tube headers, and Cadedex pipe. He's hoping to get around 700. It's very doable with this setup, but we're just cooking away at it. Should be pretty good here. I got Sean here helping me out on this project. So that's the goal for today. Otherwise, we got Super Snake over here getting an automatic transmission swap. We got some fun Gen3R stuff going on. We got some fun Dyno stuff going on. That's about it. Alright, so we got our VMP Gen3 head unit on with some FIC 1000s, some fuel rails, and some Cooks long tube headers. We're going to pull it out, stick it on the dyno, and see what she makes.
Hey guys, this is Mike with VMP Performance. We just got Don's car off of the dyno. Don brought us the car with the goal of about 700 wheel horsepower. With the help of the Gen 3 supercharger, we were able to get him right at his goal, and it should make for a really fun car for him all around. If you guys like what we did with Don's car and are interested in putting together a similar setup, make sure to contact sales and support. And as always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Shop Talk Saturdays.